In this video, I'm giving you a complete walkthrough on how to create AI UGC in 2026. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to create high-converting AI UGC videos, just like the one you're seeing right now, using the simplest and most straightforward way possible. So you walk away with full control over the powerful workflows to start producing your own AI UGC video today. The tool we're going to be using to create these AI UGC videos is called TopView AI. The reason I personally love using TopView AI is because it gives you access to some of the most powerful AI features available, along with a wide range of features that help increase the realism of your UGC style videos in a massive way. On top of that, everything is packaged inside a clean, simple interface that's genuinely easy to navigate and use, even if you're just getting started. It allows you to turn a simple product link into a complete UGC style video using your preferred face, voice, background, and overall vibe. What really sets TopView apart is how natural the results look. The facial expressions, movements, and speaking patterns feel almost human, making the videos look authentic and believable. On top of that, TopView offers a built-in library of human-like avatars, making it easy to create high-quality content quickly and at scale. To show you how everything works, the first step is creating an account. Once you're logged in, click on the dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll immediately see all the AI tools available for creating your videos. For example, there's the photo angle editor, which lets you adjust the perspective of an image, and motion control, which can copy movement from another video and apply it to your character or product avatar, making it look like your character is naturally interacting with your product. Below that, you'll also find agent-style templates that can be customized for different content formats. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing the option above. All we need to do is to paste our product link and photo. For this illustration, I'll be using a product from Amazon. To start, I copy the product page URL and image, paste them into TopView, then click continue and select the icon to move forward. Once inside, the AI generates a short questionnaire to gather the details needed to create the video. The first question asks who the product is for, and I select athletes and outdoor sports enthusiasts. The second question is about the product's selling points, where I choose the first option. For the target audience, I select United States. Next, I set English as the video language and choose UGC as the video style. Finally, I select the aspect ratio and video duration, then click confirm to proceed. After that, the AI generates a video brief based on your selections, along with a storyboard outlining how the video will be structured. Once you've reviewed and approved everything, click confirm.
Tired of sunscreen stinging your eyes when you sweat? I was too, until I found ThinkSport. This stuff is a game changer for athletes. It's SPF 50, water resistant for 80 minutes, and it actually stays put. Plus, it's reef safe. Seriously, get this.
Now you can see how the platform creates a realistic UGC-style AI video. When the video is ready, it can be shared across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest as a creative way to showcase your product or design. Hopefully, this walkthrough gave you a clear idea of how to create your own AI UGC-style videos with ease. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.